Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change time zone on TradingView. So let's get started. So to change the time zone in TradingView, you have to follow these easy steps. So here you have to go. Just open your TradingView. So here you have to click on sign in with Google. So here you have to log in with your account from here. Okay. So when you will just log in, as you can see, so here you can see the time zone. As you can see, just go to here menu, and from here you can just go into your settings. Then from here you can change it. Okay, so you can see economic calendar, you can just change from here. So this is how to change the time zone on the TradingView. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.